This tutorial guides you through hiring a home tutor for your child using the Crazywhiz platform. You will learn how to provide necessary details and submit your tutoring request successfully. Click the Book button on the Crazywhiz homepage to start the tutor booking process. Click the Name field to prepare for entering your personal information. Enter your full name in the provided field to identify yourself for the booking. Go to the Email address field to provide your contact information. Enter your email address to ensure you receive booking confirmations and updates. Click the Select an Option drop-down to view available service categories. Type Home to filter and find home-related tutoring services quickly. Click Home Tutor to specify the type of tutoring service you require. Select the appropriate service category from the list to match your tutoring needs. Click the Requirement field to describe your specific tutoring needs. Enter detailed requirements such as seeking an experienced female tutor for Class 10 Maths with 5 to 10 years of board exam preparation expertise, scheduling 4 days a week from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m., emphasizing punctuality. Enter your phone number to provide a contact method for the tutor or platform. Click the Submit button to send your tutoring request for processing. Click the Thank You message to acknowledge the successful submission of your booking.